In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the problem when messages don't transfer from your old iPhone to your new one. Transitioning to a new device should be seamless, but sometimes a hiccup occurs. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a few simple steps to ensure all your messages make the move. Let's kick things off with enabling iCloud message sync, which is crucial for this process. You'll want to grab both your old and new iPhones. First, head to Settings, then tap on your name at the top, and then into iCloud. Here you'll find Messages. Make sure this toggle is switched on for both phones. This ensures your messages are stored in the iCloud and ready to be downloaded onto your new device. Next, let's check if both iPhones are up to date. Software updates are essential as they often contain fixes for bugs that might influence data transfer. So go to your Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. This step is quick but vital for a smooth transfer. Remember, both phones need to be on the latest version. Moving on, we're going to use iCloud Backup. On your old iPhone, navigate to Settings again, tap your name, then iCloud, and finally iCloud Backup. Select Backup now. This will ensure everything on your old phone, including messages, safely uploads to iCloud. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into a charger if the battery is low, as backups can take time. Once your backup is complete, it's time to set up your new iPhone. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to restore from iCloud Backup. Select this option and choose the most recent backup. This will download all your data, including messages, onto your new device. Be patient as this can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your data. After restoration, let's confirm everything is set correctly in iMessage settings. Go to Settings on your new iPhone, scroll to find Messages and tap on it. Click on Send and Receive, then ensure that both your Apple ID and phone number are checked. This aligns everything with iMessage, confirming seamless communication through your Apple ID. By following these steps, your transition to a new iPhone should unfold effortlessly. Enable iCloud syncing, update software, back up your data, and restore correctly to ensure no messages left behind. With these straightforward steps, you're not only resolving the transfer issue, but also optimizing your setup for the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new iPhone with all your messages intact.